Hi, my name is Pedro Mercaldi, and I'm a business student here in Georgian College. In this video, I want to talk about project management, what it is, how it works, and how I would use in the real life situation. To make it simple, I will give an example, like planning a small event with my classmates and a college. So, what is project management? Project management is the process of planning, organize, and control work to reach a goal. It helps people to take an idea and turn it into a real result. Every project has a clear beginning and end, and it needs a good plan to avoid mistakes, delay, or wasting money. With the project management, we can work better as a team and stay focused from the start to finish. Project management and operation management are different. Both are super important, but the first one is used for temporary work, like creating a website, planning an event, or building a school. And the second one, the operation management, it's used for repeating work, like daily work, like cooking in a restaurant or running a stores. So every project has three constraints, and which we call like the three main limits. The first one is scope, the second one time, and the third one is cost. If you change one, the other ones also it's also affect. For example, if I add more tasks on the project, it may take more time or need more money. That's why you need to balance all three to finish the project well. But what is a project? A project is a one-time job with a clear goal. It is not a part of normal operations. It has a start, a deadline, and a result. A project can be small, like a class presentation, or big, like organizing a music festival for 100 people. And every time that you have to make something like that, we can use the WBS. WBS means work breakdown structure. It helps break a big project into smaller tasks called work packages. This makes it easier to plan and manage each part. For our college event, for example, we can divide it's like this. One team books the place, the other team designs and shares posters, the other team controls the budget and expenses, one team manages the volunteers on the day, and you can see each task has a deadline and a responsible person. That's make the project more organized. To keep everything in control and for achieve the best results, we can use the PDCA cycle. PDCA means plan, do, check, and act. First, I plan the task and decide who does what. Then, we do the work. After that, we check what went well and what didn't go as planned. Finally, we act to fix the mistakes and make improvements. It's helpful too that we can use again in another project. Communication in the project is super important. It's the most important part in any project. Everyone needs to know the plan, the tasks, and the deadlines. In our college event, I would use group chat, short video calls, and maybe a shared online spreadsheet. This helps everyone stay updated, avoid confusion, and solve problems faster. Good communication keeps the team work together. To conclude, so let's say I have to plan a small music event at the school. I would start by writing the scope, what is the event is, how big this event gonna be, and who is for the event, who is the customer, the client. And then I would make a schedule and divide the work using WBS. I would apply the PDCA cycle to improve as we go and make sure the whole team is informed of every step. And project managers help make everything more clear, organized, and successful. And the reference is this video is based on concepts the course book, textbooks, project management process, 8th edition by Eric Larson and Clifford Gray. Thank you for watching.